channel of Digital to Real. Today we are going to discuss about programming logic array. Programmable logic array. आज हम programmable logic array के बारे में discuss करेंगे, which is also called PLA. So programmable logic array, that is PLA, is a fixed architecture logic device with programmable AND gate followed by programmable OR gates. तो आपका प्रोग्रामेबल लॉजिक अरे क्या है? ये एक आर्किटेक्चर लॉजिक डिवाइस है जहाँ पे क्या है, एंड गेट को भी आप प्रोग्रामेबल एंड गेट्स है और आपके प्रोग्रामेबल OR गेट्स है. ये आपका जो प्रोग्रामेबल लॉजिक अरे इज अ पार्ट ऑफ प्रोग्रामेबल लॉजिक डिवाइसेस. ओके, तो यहाँ पे आपके जो एंड गेट्स होंगे वो भी प्रोग्रामेबल होंगे, OR गेट्स होंगे वो भी प्रोग्रामेबल होंगे. वी विल सी दैट. आपको शायद पता होगा कि PLD के अंदर आता है रोम, देन PAL प्रोग्रामेबल अरे लॉजिक, देन PLA, देन PROM, दे ऑल कम अंडर PLD. तो आज हम प्रोग्रामेबल लॉजिक अरे के बारे में डिस्कस कर रहे हैं, जो प्रोग्रामेबल, जिसमें प्रोग्रामेबल एंड गेट्स है, उसके साथ साथ फॉलोड बाय मीन्स उसके बाद एंड गेट्स में जो मीन टर्म्स मिलेंगे उनको और करने के लिए हमारे पास OR गेट्स है. मीन्स मीन टर्म्स जो मिलेंगे और सम ऑफ प्रोडक्ट्स करने के लिए हमारे पास OR गेट्स है. ओके, जो भी नंबर ऑफ OR गेट्स इज ऑल्सो प्रोग्रामेबल. नाउ it is used to build a reconfigurable digital circuit. ये एक reconfigurable digital circuit को डिज़ाइन करने में हेल्प करता है. जैसे FPGAs होते हैं, field programmable gate arrays. Similarly, PLA also belongs to a programmable logic device. Okay, it is a combination of memory and logic. Now we will compare the PLA with other programmable logic device. So हम उसको compare करेंगे और देखेंगे कि how it is different from others. PLA has programmable AND gate array and programmable OR gate array. ये तो मैंने पहले ही बोल दिया कि PLA में programmable AND gate array है और programmable OR gate array. PAL has programmable AND gate array बट फिक्स्ड OR गेट अरे. PAL के अंदर प्रोग्रामेबल एंड गेट अरे है, लेकिन जो OR गेट अरे है वो है फिक्स्ड. रोम के अंदर द रोम हैज फिक्स्ड एंड गेट अरे बट प्रोग्रामेबल OR गेट अरे. रोम में क्या फिक्स्ड है? एंड गेट अरे फिक्स्ड है, लेकिन OR गेट अरे आपका प्रोग्रामेबल है. तो अभी इनको मैं डायग्राम के थ्रू दिखा रही हूँ आपको. डायग्राम ऑफ 2 × 4 रोम वुड लुक लाइक. ये आपके 2 वेरिएबल्स है जो 2 to 4 डिकोडर के अंदर जा रहे हैं, विच विल गिव 4 मीन टर्म्स D0 से D3. ओके, और ये आपके OR गेट्स है. ठीक है, रोम का क्या है? रोम हैज फिक्स्ड एंड गेट अरे, क्योंकि आपका जो एंड गेट अरे वो तो फिक्स्ड होगा, वो डिकोडर विल गिव ऑल द मीन टर्म्स. ओके, पर कितने डिकोडर के मीन टर्म्स आपको यूज करने हैं और कितने डोंट केयर रखने हैं, दैट डिपेंड्स अपॉन द कॉम्बिनेशनल लॉजिक. ओके, लेकिन आपके जो OR गेट्स है दैट इज प्रोग्रामेबल. ओके, सो इट इज द डायग्राम ऑफ PAL, that is programmable array logic. Programmable array logic has programmable AND matrix and fixed OR gate matrix. So two variables are there, A and B. This is unprimed value it will give primed value, A and A bar, B and B bar. Okay, now the connection has to be made to the AND gate. So here these are the fuses which are making the connections. As they are programmable AND matrix, so we have the provision to make the connections which would be fed to the AND gates. So here I have made the connection, A bar, B bar is going to this AND gate, A bar, B is going to this AND gate. Here it is going to A bar, B bar is going to this AND gate, and here again A bar, B bar going to this AND gate. Okay, this is how is the connection is made. F1 and F2, these are the functions. For PLA, the OR array is programmable and the AND array is also programmable. AND is followed by the OR. Okay, so below is the truth table for a PLA which I am going to implement. There are 3 variables. So 3 variables are giving the 8 combinations and 2 functions are there, F1 and F2. You see, when it is true, function F1 is true for 4, 5 and 7. Function F2 is true for 3, 5 and 7. On solving the K-map, F1 is coming as A, B bar plus AC. If I take the grouping of 2 bits, 2 ones, it is giving as A, B bar plus AC. Here is the F2 that is coming as BC and AC. You take the grouping of this, that is AC. You take the grouping of this, that is BC. Now, you see the array. Okay. A, B, C, they are giving A naught, B naught, C naught. Now, we are making the connection to the, in order to have the programmable AND gate, we are making connection. You see, here it is BC plus AC and here also A, B bar plus AC. So, AC is common in function F1 and F2 both. So, I will not use separate AND gate to generate the mean term AC. So, it is common to both function F1 and F2. So, that is what programmable it is said. Means the number of mean terms will be, means if there is some repetitive mean terms, that would be used only once. So, here it is A, B bar. A and B bar is coming to this particular AND gate. This is AC. A and C is coming to this AND gate. And this is BC. B and C is coming to this AND gate. Now we are doing the OR in order to generate the function F1 and function F2. You see, that is also programmable. Lines are coming out of this AND gate. And these are the OR gates. Okay. So A, B bar plus AC is going to this OR gate. AC plus BC is going to this OR gate. This is F1 and this is F2. This is actually the PLA structure where the AND array is also programmable, OR array is also programmable. PLA is used for implementing various combinational circuit. Okay, where PLA is used, it is used for generating the combinational circuit. In PLA, all mean terms are not realized, but only required mean terms are implemented. That is what I said. One mean term which was repetitive, we used it only once. We didn't realize it multiple times. That was the AC. For function F1 also AC was there, and for function F2 also AC was there. So it was common between F1 and F2. So in PLA, all mean terms are not realized, but only required mean terms are implemented. Now, as in our implementation, AC mean term is common in both function F1 and F2. So implemented only once. That is what I said. Now application of PLA. Where the PLA is used? PLA is used to provide control over the data path. So in the processor, in order to have the control over the data path, we have the PLA there. PLA is used as counter and decoder. As we said, PLA is used to implement the combinational circuit. So counter and decoder, that can also be implemented by PLA. PLA used as a bus interface in a programmable IOs. In programmable input and output lines, PLA can also be used as a bus interface. These are the examples. These are the places where PLA are used. Okay. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Please subscribe the channel and have a nice day. Bye-bye.